So this is just a very quick video. This is the latest generation L460 Range Rover that we've got in. This customer unfortunately had the pleasure of a mobile installer to try and install the dash camera for him and a battery pack. To be honest, it's one of the worst installs I've ever seen that somebody else has done. I don't normally I sort of stay out of controversial of comparing installers against others, but I will post a few pictures upon our Instagram just to what you can expect and why really you should just avoid mobile installation, certainly on an expensive car like this. It's taken us over 4 hours, two of us, to rectify the damage, missing screws, the appalling installation. I mean, you wouldn't even believe underneath the carpet they left some food wrappers. Well, they were obviously having a sandwich while they were eating while installing the camera in the customer's vehicle, which is beggars belief, to be honest. So I'll just quickly just show you obviously what we've done on the install point of view on one of these. So on these particular ones, as you can see, we've got no wiring at all. This other installer had mounted some camera on some concoction, which is here, was all wonky and everything else. And there was obviously wires all over. So we've got the camera, which is nicely sort of situated here at the bottom, and it's within the wiper sweep as well, which is just there. And then when this was installed previously, they'd stuck everything all around here and the wires all up here, but obviously you can see we've got this, we've rectified it. They fitted the battery pack and hardwired. Now, you should never solder onto anything in a Range Rover because Land Rover will void your warranty, so we only use fuse taps. This was actually hardwired in, so we've had to rectify that, and then we've moved the battery pack to the back into a side panel as well as rectifying some damaged trim, missing screws. But this is all back to as it should be now. So if you are looking to get a camera installed correctly, then please do give us a call. We do install things very differently. I know it's easy to say that, but we do install things very differently to a lot of mobile installers. We spend the time, and so we should, on a very expensive vehicle like this. So if you'd like further information on fitting a dash camera and battery pack and having parking surveillance and cloud connectivity, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations.